Hi, and welcome back to the Adjunct's Kitchen, where we make affordable, easy to prepare, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks and for your full-time eaters. My name's Chad Seeger, and today we're going to be making one of the world's most popular dishes, Chicken Parmesan. The ingredients for this dish are chicken breast, egg, breadcrumbs, Italian seasoning, pasta, marinara sauce, cooking oil, flour, and either mozzarella or provolone. It may seem there's a lot of steps to making this dish, but once you get a handle on it, it all makes sense and is actually pretty easy. Assuming you already have your tomato sauce, there's not a lot of prep to do for this dish. However, you do have to prep the chicken, which simply means cutting it into 1.5-inch thick chunks and then putting them in a mixing bowl. At this stage, you're going to want to take a paper towel and dry off the chicken. You're going to be washing your hands a lot during this dish, every time you touch the chicken, because, chicken. Once it's patted dry, cover it all in flour. Try to make sure that every piece is covered in flour. You're also going to want to prep the breading, which for us just means adding some Italian seasoning. Basically, you have here is garlic powder, black pepper, oregano, basil, and salt. For the third and final mixing bowl, crack 4 eggs and then mix them up. Now you can bake the chicken, you can saute the chicken. We're going to deep fry the chicken, which means getting a big pot of oil up to just below medium high. Once the oil is up to temp, we're ready to start cooking. Now this oil is extremely hot, so you need to be very careful when you make this dish. We have 3 mixing bowls. We have the chicken, we have the egg wash, and then we have the breadcrumbs. We're going to go right down the line. So we start with the chicken, right into the egg wash, get it coated, covered. And we're going to put it in breadcrumbs. Once it's coated, right into the oil. Simply do the rest of the chicken. When you enter the chicken into the oil, always do it away from you because it is hot and very dangerous. A wooden slotted spoon will help keep it from sticking. Only cook about 5 pieces of chicken at a time or otherwise the oil will get too cold. Take a plate and line it with paper towels in the meantime. When about half your chicken's cooked, now you're going to start the oven at about 425 degrees. After about 5 or 6 minutes, your chicken's done. Carefully remove it with tongs. Put it on the paper towel. Kill the heat and hit it with some salt. For the next step, take a baking pan, pour some tomato sauce in, making a thin layer. Then simply add the chicken. Put about a spoonful of tomato sauce on top of each chicken cutlet. Now simply put cheese on top. I'm using provolone, but you can also use mozzarella. There's surprisingly little Parmesan in Chicken Parmesan. Once all the cutlets are covered, put it into the oven. While the chicken's in the oven, this is a good time to make your pasta. After 15 minutes, check the chicken. If the cheese looks browned, chicken parm is done. So kill the heat, remove the chicken. To plate this dish, simply make a bed of pasta. Then put the chicken parmesan right on top. Finally, hit it with some Parmesan cheese and some fresh basil right on top. I think we can all agree, the world got a little bit better the day they invented Chicken Parmesan. Well, thanks everybody for watching. If you have any questions or requests for other dishes, leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'll see you on the next Adjunct's Kitchen.